Hey guys, I just kind of wanted to do a part two as far as setting up the ad for your Shopify store on Facebook. Um, when you log into your Facebook Ads Manager, you go to create a new ad set. You scroll down to where it says audiences, detailed targeting, which I'll show you. Here we go. Detailed targeting. You want to target five Facebook pages. I say between two to five. Five is ideal. Um, in a previous video, we created an ad for Donkey Kong video games. So I'm going to show you five great pages to target. Um, Video games. Size 1.1 million. Entertainment, video games, people who have expressed an interest and are like related video games. So yes, if we created an ad for Donkey Kong video games, this is one page we will want to target. Remember I said five, but between two to five is good. Donkey Kong. Let's see what comes up. 1.3 million people who have expressed an interest in or like page related to Donkey Kong. We want to target that. Um, so we got video games, Donkey Kong. um, Super Mario Brothers. That's kind of related to Donkey Kong. We're going to target Super Mario Brothers. About a little over 3 million size. Um, Donkey Kong video game. Donkey Kong video game. That's another page we can target. And I just seen another one. Game console. People who have like PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, Wii's. Um, Game consoles. 197 million. So these are the pages right here that we're going to target for Donkey Kong video games. And when we target these pages, what Facebook is going to do is place your ad in front of all these pages. And as you can see, 1.3 million, 422,000, 3 million, 1 million, 197 million. That's a lot of people that's getting targeted. So we're going to stick with these five pages. You don't want to add two more. You also don't want to, add just one and not get that much, relevant traffic. So these are the pages we're going to target for the Donkey Kong video game product that I'm using as the example. Facebook ads work wonders, guys. I'm telling you, I haven't seen anything like it. The way that Facebook just targets people's behaviors, um, and target people that's 9 times out of 10 likely to buy whatever you are selling. This right here is what the you know big dogs are doing. Um, my number one Shopify store is doing a little over 3,000 a day. This is what I'm doing. Facebook, very powerful, and like I said, 85% of my traffic comes from Facebook. 85% of my sales. The other, 15% is kind of like offline flyers and whatnot. But 85% of my sales and traffic comes from Facebook. Um, Facebook is a must as far as just having an online store and wanting to get sales. Um, So, you may want to put the copy and paste these 5 groups into like a notepad or write it down. Um, and make sure you save this audience. So when you duplicate your ad, add more money to your daily campaign. This is all saved. You don't have to start over. You just log into your ad manager and duplicate your ad. Um, it says potential reach 230 million. Don't get that confused. You're not going to reach that many people in one day. That may be over the course of, I don't know, maybe a couple months. Um, it tells you your daily reach right here, 740 to about 4,600 people, and to show you an estimated convergence you'll get. Um, so yeah, Facebook is definitely powerful. It works wonders, and it seemed like no matter what you sell, if you set your ad out right, get the proper training, and know what you're doing, you'll get good results. For the budget and schedule, just run your ad 24/7. No need to have a schedule of like 8 a.m. to like 5. There's really no need to run an ad of say like 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or anything like that. The internet is 24/7. The internet never sleeps. You want sales coming in while you sleep, all during the day, anytime during the day, anytime during the night. So just leave your budget and scheduling, 24/7. Don't choose a specific time for it. Like I said, for your daily budget, start off with $5 a day and just go from there. As you can see, let's just set this at $5. You'll still get you'll still reach 180 to 1,200 people estimated, 8 to 48 conversions. That's still great. I mean, $5 budget, 8 to 48 conversions, just fantastic. So just leave your ad at that. Um, Trying to see if anything I missed, guys. Connections. Just leave that like it is. Um, I think I pretty much covered everything. Make sure your conversion is set to website. Make sure when you click on create a pixel, you'll copy the URL to your Shopify store and paste it right here so that Shopify can track all the traffic coming in from Facebook. Looking good. This is a pretty good ad. Just a follow up from the first video I gave regarding how to set up your Facebook ad. Your ad should look, close to perfect, if not perfect. Um, Languages, you leave that blank. Add locations in bulk, no need. Like I said, make sure you include worldwide and you exclude Africa and Asia. Um, and that's pretty much it, guys. You can always log into your Facebook Ads Manager, check to see the stats for your ads, how many views you're getting, how many clicks you're getting. Facebook even keeps track of how many people click on, add to cart on your website. You'll be able to keep track of that. How many people initiated a checkout? Um, of course, how many people bought the product. You can keep track of so many things. And you'll get a lot of add to carts. You'll get about 30 to 40 add to carts a day, which means that people didn't buy your product, they just added it to the cart. But um, if you get 30 to 40 add to carts, you'll probably get about 3 to 4 sales, and those people will come back to buy. So that's huge. An add to cart is always a win for me as well, because if they took the time out to actually add it to the cart, 9 times out of 10, they're interested and they'll come back to buy it. So if you log into your Facebook Ads Manager after you finish creating your ad, you'll be able to keep track of all of your statistics for your Shopify store through Facebook ads. Pretty cool tool. I highly recommend it. And keep in mind, like I said, the pages you want to target has to be related to your product. As you can see, all of these people are, highly likely to buy what I have to offer because they like these pages and I'm targeting these pages. That's it for this video, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.